Hello guys, welcome to Basic Nursing Classes. My name is Amanpreet and in today's video we are moving on with our endocrine system. In the previous video we discussed about the hormones which are secreted by our master gland, pituitary gland, and in this video we are gonna talk about the hormones which are secreted by another important gland, that is adrenal gland. Okay, so let's discuss. We all know adrenal gland, it is located over both the kidneys. Okay, and there are two kidneys, so total number of glands, these are two in number, and the secretion of hormones by adrenal gland, it is controlled by pituitary gland. Okay, and we can divide the adrenal gland into two parts who secrete different hormones. The first outermost part of the adrenal gland, that is called adrenal cortex. It's the outermost part, plus it is the biggest part. And second inner part is called adrenal medulla. Okay, and it is not so big. Now discuss the adrenal cortex, the hormones which are secreted by cortex. We can divide them into glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids. The glucocorticoids are mainly three. First is cortisol, cortisone, and third one is corticosterone. Okay, and these hormones, these are responsible for glucose metabolism, protein metabolism, fluid and electrolyte balance in a body, immune response or inflammatory reaction, resistance to stress conditions, and sleep and wake cycle maintenance. Okay, and mineralocorticoids, there is only one hormone, that is aldosterone, and that hormone is responsible for maintaining sodium and water retention or excretion from the body. Okay, and if there is any disorder in the adrenal cortex hormones, either there is high release or less release of hormones, they can be some disorders like Cushing disease, Cushing syndrome, Addison disease, Cohen syndrome. We will discuss all these syndromes one by one. And let's move on to adrenal medulla. The medulla part, it is mainly responsible for releasing the hormones which are very crucial in stress conditions. So these are stress hormones, and the stress conditions can be either physical or emotional stress conditions, and these conditions are also called flight or fight response. Okay, and the hormones which are secreted, these are normally two. First is epinephrine and second is non-epinephrine. The other name of both hormones is adrenaline or non-adrenaline. These both hormones, they have similar functions. Okay, and these hormones, they mainly target the organs like heart. Okay, they alter the heart rate, they alter the BP by doing the vasoconstriction or vasodilation. They affect muscles also, brain, and glucose metabolism. Okay, so overall they affect all the body, and any disorder in the release of these hormones can lead to pheochromocytoma. Okay, there is only one disease, and we will discuss this disease in the next video. Okay, so these are the main hormones which are secreted by the adrenal gland. Okay, and in the next video we are going to discuss all these diseases one by one. Okay, till then, thank you, good luck for exam.